Hi, I'm Nidhi Agarwal, a daughter, wife, and mother, always seeking the finest superfoods for my family. Superfoods are everywhere today, but what's rare is trust, tracing them to their origin and ensuring authenticity. My search felt endless, and coming from a spices business background, I realized it could begin with turmeric. I understood that turmeric is far more than a kitchen staple. It is nature's most powerful gift, long overlooked. Years of study through scientific journals, Ayurvedic texts, and modern research led me to one undeniable truth: not all turmeric is the same. Everyone knows Lakadong turmeric has the world's highest curcumin content, higher than 7%, nearly 3 times more than the ordinary turmeric. It grows only in the Lakadong village of Meghalaya, nourished by pure rains and magical red soil. No place on earth can replicate this. But what most of us don't know, that an adult needs 500 to 2000 mg of curcumin daily for the true benefits. Regular turmeric with only 2 to 3% curcumin provides 50 milligram per teaspoon, which means one would require 10 to 20 teaspoons a day, which is quite unrealistic. Lakadong at 7% and higher provides 200 milligram per teaspoon, delivers the same in just 2 to 3 teaspoons a day, making it more potent, practical, and effective. Curcumin on its own is not easily absorbed by the body. This is where volatile oils in Lakadong turmeric like ertermeron and zingiberin step in. These natural oils unlock and carry curcumin into the bloodstream, making it bioavailable and effective. Ordinary turmeric has barely half of these oils, meaning most of its curcumin simply goes to waste. During COVID, people turned to turmeric shots with ghee and black pepper. Why? Because fat, that is ghee, and piperine, that is pepper, can boost curcumin absorption by up to 2000%. With Lakadong's richer oils, this effect is even stronger, turning the golden milk or shots into a true immunity shield. Many believe curcumin capsules are the modern solution. But the truth is, capsules contain only isolated extracts, stripped of volatile oils, antioxidants, and natural compounds. They may fight inflammation, but lack holistic benefits. Lakadong turmeric is whole and alive. Its natural oils act as antioxidants, its fibers aid digestion, and its aroma compounds support gut health, working together to deliver far more than capsules ever can. We at Purist partner exclusively with Padma Shri awardee Mrs. Trinity Sayo, the pioneer of Lakadong turmeric, fondly called the Turmeric Trinity of Meghalaya. A humble school teacher from Mulya village, Mrs. Sayo transformed Lakadong into a global name. For her work, she received the Padma Shri in 2020, one of India's highest civilian honors, the Excellence in Horticulture Award in 2018, and in 2024, she played a key role in securing the GI tag for Lakadong turmeric, protecting its authenticity for generations. And the turmeric we bring to you comes not from mass collections, but directly from her own backyard. It is unblended, traceable, authentic, and limited in supply. This is not just a turmeric, it is heritage, purity, and science woven into one golden elixir. If you truly believe in protecting your family's health and preserving nature's purest gift for generations, do not wait. Bring home Purest Neskim Lakadong turmeric. It isn't just a product launch, it is the beginning of a wellness revolution, delivering authentic, scientifically validated ingredients directly from the source to your table, which is impossible to replicate in mass markets. Neskim is truly a jewel, rare, pure, and limited. If you don't secure it, you condemn your family to an ordinary turmeric. What came into your mind when you first thought about producing Lakadong turmeric?
So thank you. First of all, so why it came to my mind to grow Lakadong turmeric? Because the Lakadong turmeric, it is the precious products.
Okay.
So why I can say it is a precious product? Because it curcumin, it has 7+. It is too much different from the other variety of turmeric in all over India.
Yes,
Actually,
yes,
basically,
yes.
every people they are growing turmeric.
Okay.
But this turmeric, it's named Lakadong.
Yes.
It's different. When we compare to the curcumin content, it has 7+. It has
it is the
7,
highest.
8, 9, yeah, till
Okay.
10 also.
Okay, yes, ma'am. And ma'am, now since we are getting a portion of your Lakadong turmeric specifically for our brand Purist, so I want to know that uh, how is the Nescom Lakadong uh, turmeric from Purist is different from what other turmeric that you're cultivating?
This Nescam Lakadong turmeric, it's different from the others because we plant in our own field,
Yes.
and also we buy. Suppose if we will buy from the farmer also,
Yes.
mean it is a good to procure it as a volatile oil, and also it is a good aroma, and also it is different right from the means either clean or either means how to process
The
it in a
process
good
is
way.
different. Yes.
Yes, it's
And
different from the
what
others.
can you explain the audience what is the meaning of Nescam?
Nescam Lakadong turmeric, it is the good highest curcumin contents,
Yes.
and also it is it has a good smell,
Mhm.
it has a good color,
Yes.
and then we have tried to make it good everything.
Yes. And what does Nescam means?
Nescam means the product's name of Lakadong turmeric.
Yes. And in Khasi, what does Nescam
Yeah.
mean?
Nescam, ne means remain.
Okay.
Scam means strong.
So remain strong.
Remain strong.
So from if you use the Nescam Lakadong turmeric, you'll remain strong.
Yes.
Not only from within, but outside also. Like if you can use it on your body,
Sure.
on scrubs, on anything,
Yes.
you remain strong.